Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll break down the euro against dollar for the coming week. And before we do that, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you're new. And below the channel, below the video, you'll find many links. You can check out these links in your free time. You can join my free Telegram group as well and check out these links. And the one link I want to mention right now is the first one saying join a monthly membership here. So I have started the monthly membership and you can click on this and you can check out all the benefits you can get if you join. And why I had to do this, because, I have seen videos from other YouTubers. I respect everybody and everybody's, making a living and working for themselves. So I just have this, logical understanding, which I want to, have in everybody's mind, that I saw some videos on the internet making 2 minutes analysis videos. Now, can you really explain something financially just within 2 minutes? Especially if it's related to make money or lose money, okay? So if you are interested in watching 2 minutes analysis, I can do the same. I can strictly be, I can strictly think about myself only, that if you don't give me a penny, I'll not give you anything. That is what others do, okay? So if you see something in 2 minutes analysis, I don't think you will get when to enter, when to exit, okay? That only happens when you buy $1,000 course or pay some monthly membership, right? So I think, if I have to be like others, I can do that anytime. I can switch, okay? Switch means that, this is Euro USD. I can see trend is up or trend is down. So go and look for buy opportunities or go look for sell opportunities. It's pretty easy, if I have to do that, right? So I will come here. I will say, the price is above the EMA. So look for buy opportunities. So subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Bye-bye. It doesn't make sense to me. Okay. So if you find some extra value in this video, and if you think I am making sense with my analysis, okay, you don't have to worry about how do I look. Okay. How do I look? Where do I live? What the fuck I do? You don't have to care about that. You have to care about the knowledge. You are here for something. Okay. And as my channel says, TubeCore, creating the need, not the greed, okay? So I don't care about the money, as in I can make my own money, okay? But the content which I'm giving you, that is a need for you. I'm not asking your money that, you come and pay me money. That will be greedy. But if I create the need, you will come to me, okay? My knowledge is the, you could say, backbone of my whatever, okay? So starting with the weekly approach, and you will figure this out, the moment you go and watch videos on my channel, you will figure out how, what I'm giving you for free is not available anywhere on the internet, okay? It's available when you join their membership and subscriptions and all that, okay? But not for free. Now, starting with the weekly, Euro USD, quite simple. If you see from my eyes, this red candle has hidden this previous blue candle in weekly, okay? Which means we are in the downtrend now. If you don't know how it works, I think it's a trend reversal. Yeah, it's a trend reversal, but guys, I hope so. At least for next 15 days, it's a trend reversal, okay? So the euro will be coming down for next 10, 12 days, okay? So weekly, this candle has eaten the previous blue candle. Quite easy to guess, we are going down. Let's come back to Delhi. What do we have? What do we have in Delhi, man? Come on, man. Oh, we have downtrend, pullback, another low. Okay, now this previous low yet not broken, okay? But we have created a new low in Delhi. Okay, do you understand what is happening here? These two candles eaten the previous blue candle. Okay, these two blue candles were eaten by these two red candles. Then a pullback. You see, from here till here, pullback. Then a new low, which means we are now continuing the downtrend. And if you see the confirmation, we have the hammer, bearish hammer. Okay, which means the sellers came into the market and pushed the price down in Delhi on Friday. We have a bearish hammer, okay, which means we're going to go down. When are we going to go down? You know what? I can end the video right now. Go for look for sell opportunity. Subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye. Okay. But when to enter, when to exit? Well, for that, pay me the money. Come on. But I'll tell you for free, okay? So go to 4 hour. In 4 hour, what do we have? In 4 hour, we have this, we had this, major bearish candle with a long wick. And then we had a red candle, this red candle. You know what? Pay me $1,000 for this. This red candle has eaten this blue candle, which means now we're going to go down. Okay. Now, again, do I leave you here? If I leave you here, still good enough information. Go and enter sell. Or when to exit. When to enter. Yeah, nobody tells you for free, right? I will tell you in this video. Let's see for how long I will, carry on doing this for free. I can change my mind anytime if I want to, right? But make sure if you like what you see, subscribe, share the video. Share as in with your community, with your friends who are into trading, okay? Because, there are a handful of people who know what they're doing, the technical work, okay? The technical analysis and everything. And only a handful of people are successful in trading, okay? So go and share the content with your friends and whosoever you know, because they need to know the right knowledge, okay? So when to enter? Enter as soon the market opens, man. As soon the market opens after 1 hour. So for example, let's say in your country market opens at, let's say 1 a.m., p.m., whatever. After 1 hour, enter Euro USD sell, exit after taking your 50 pips. Go for 50 pips in 4 hours. I challenge you, no one can take me down. This is my fucking challenge. As soon the market opens after 1 hour, go and enter what we say sell in Euro USD, take your 50 pips, wait for 8 hours, you will have your 50 pips. I'm not saying this will happen in just 1 hour, half an hour. No. You might have to wait 8 hours or maybe 12 hours, maybe 24 hours, but enter sell and you will get your 50 pips. And I dare challenge who can correct me incorrect me on this. Euro USD on Monday. Anybody I'm challenging, going down 50 pips, take your profit and come and thank me later. If you see what you like, sorry guys, if you see what you like or if you like what you see, it doesn't matter. Excitement, right? You should be excited because I'm going down for this on Monday as soon as the market opens after 1 hour. Okay. So subscribe, like. I have to say that now. You must be very, very, very intelligent if I have to say this now after giving you all this for free. I gave you 50 pips for free right now, man. And after that, I have to ask you to subscribe. Well, then you must be very intelligent that I have to ask you to subscribe now. Well, do whatever you like, right? So, yeah. And if you want to join membership, check out the link. Because in the membership, I'll be breaking down all these pairs, 50 pairs, every week on Saturday, Sunday, and gold analysis and much more. Go and check out the link. And I'll see you in this video. And I hope I'm not hurting your ego. If your ego is too much, please don't come back. But I'm just having fun, okay? And trust me, if somebody tells you on this, okay, well, you know what? If you find somebody on the internet who is doing this for free, drop a comment and we'll see. I'll come back with you, for something free. I'll give you maybe 100 pips for free. If you can claim, if you can prove that somebody else is giving this for free before joining membership, before buying their course. Let's see how many people are there doing it, okay? Subscribe, like, blah, 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 blah. Bye-bye.